Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix black screen game capture on OBS. Let's begin. If you haven't already, download the OBS Studio, and these are the platforms that you can do that. Download on installer, download via BitTorrent, download on zip, get it from Microsoft on Steam, and by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Now, experiencing a black screen issue with the OBS Studio during game capture can be frustrating, but of course, there are several common solutions you can try to resolve this problem. Alright, number one on our list is gonna be updating your graphics drivers, because as we all know, outdated or graphic drivers can cause various capture issues. Now, visit the website of your GPU manufacturer, for example AMD, Intel, and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. In my case, I'm using NVIDIA, so I went here at the GeForce Experience. I just have to click on the Get Game Ready Drivers or Studio Drivers. Now, the next option that you can do is, once you are here, I need to go to the Start menu and type in OBS. But here, don't open it yet. What I need you to do is to click on the open file location, right? Click on it. Now, I need you to click on the open location. And what will happen is we need to understand that the OBS should be on the .exe application. And by knowing that it's on the right permissions and the settings, I need you to right click on it and click on properties. Now make sure when you click on the compatibility, it is run as administrator. Alright? After doing so, click on apply, OK, and try to restart your OBS to see if that works. Now, if none of the above steps work, you might want to go here at the OBS help portal, and from here, you might want to look into how you can fix the OBS Studio black screen game capture if they could have it. Now, you can also join the official OBS community Discord server. They have like 180,000 members. And from there, there's a lot of users and active community members that could have experienced the same error of the black screen game capture. If you pose a question, they could probably give you an insight on how to trouble steps from these problems. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And by systematically going through these steps, you should be able to diagnose and fix the black screen issue with the OBS Studio game capture. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.